obeisance to the worthy souls, obeisance to the enlightened souls, obeisance to the liberated souls, obeisance to the preceptor, obeisance to all the saints of the universe. I am presenting this video on behalf of these great grand masters, Rishis and Munis. By the way, I am Manasakshi Rajendran, a full-time social activist and a spiritual seeker speaking from Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, a part of India. Today I am going to present a dharmic way of solution to the corona which is threatening the entire world, entire humanity. We are thinking that before going to the subject, I want to say something about Manasakshi. Manasakshi is nothing but the conscience, the universal God accepted by all the religions, and it is available dormant in every human being. By awakening this Manasakshi, every human being becomes God. So besides that, I would like to present this corona, a solution to the corona. We are thinking that corona is a virus and it has emerged from China. But here we should understand that this corona is the terrible anger of the Supreme, the Almighty, towards the unlimited atrocities, corruption and injustice done by all the human beings. Unlimited injustice are done by human beings. So God has become terribly angry and he has entered the temple, closed his doors. He doesn't want to see anybody's face. That much anger. So that much injustice are going in this world. So we should understand that first of all, the corona is the outcome of atrocities, unlimited atrocities. So this we should understand. Then all these atrocities are coming out. Where does it come from? It is coming from the polluted minds of the human beings, unclean for thousands of years. Unclean for thousands of years. That is the reason why this world is going so down. It is because of injustice. So it is obvious that if you really want to drive out corona, our minds of the human beings should be cleaned. That is the first and the foremost problem. Now the question arises, is there any solution to cleanse the mind of the people? Is there any detergent available to clean the minds of the people? Yes, there is only one detergent available to cleanse the mind, and that is recommended by all the scriptures and all the great souls, great masterminds. That is truth. Satyameva Jayate. This is written in all the this is written in our logo of our country. Our forefathers were so intelligent that they have chosen this statement because there is incredible power and truth itself is God. There is nothing more than that. So truth has got tremendous power. It can destroy anything in the world, negativities. All the negative aspects of the world can be destroyed by truth. That is why Satyameva Jayate, truth alone triumphs. So we have forgotten this long back, and we are forgetting our culture and heredity. Our culture is so great. We should understand our culture is so great that it is still running very strong when the culture of Greek and Rome were destroyed long back, because our culture is founded on truth, sacrifice and service. We should understand this. So unless and otherwise we practice truth, Satyam Vada Dharmam Chara. We have to speak truth, practice. Dharma means righteousness. We have to practice righteousness. Only then we can drive out corona. And so we have to, I can say that truth is the Brahmastra, the most powerful weapon in the world with which we can destroy anything in the world, including corona. So, that this is also the most important thing I want to emphasize here is everybody, every one of us, and there must be truth revolution in the country, not only in the country, in the entire world. There must be truth revolution, and with which you can destroy the corona completely. Then Manasakshi believes in self-reformation leads to society reformation. So you cannot reform others, but I can, if I think, if I want to reform, I can reform myself. So let all of us reform ourselves and to form a glorious world without any negativities, including corona. Let us participate in this. And here I want to emphasize Swami Vivekananda, a beautiful quote from Swami Vivekananda. Preach the highest truth broadcast. Do not fear of losing your respect or of causing unhappy frictions. Rest assured that if you serve truth in spite of temptations to forsake it, you will attain a heavenly strength, in the face of which men will quail to speak before you, which you do not believe to be true, and people would be convinced of what you would say to them if you can strictly serve truth for 14 years continuously without swerving from it. This is the most important quote of Swami Vivekananda. And another quote I want to present here is truth, purity and unselfishness. Wherever these are present, there is no power below or above the sun to crush the possessor thereof. Equipped with this, one individual is able to face the whole universe in opposition. See how he says. Equipped with this, that is truth, purity and unselfishness, equipped with this, one individual is able to face the whole universe in opposition. That much power is there in truth. So let us all speak truth, practice righteousness and drive out corona. This is, I request all the IAS and IPS officers, judges to stop corruption at all levels, or otherwise the entire world will become graveyard of corona. So today is Mahatma Gandhi's birthday. So on the eve of this Mahatma Gandhi Jayanti, let us all take an oath. We will speak truth, practice righteousness, and we will drive out corona, and we will form a very great, glorious world without any negativities, including corona. Let us all participate in this independence fight against corona and make a grand success. May all beings be happy. May all beings be happy. May all beings be happy. Jai Hind.